Hey everybody, welcome to our finale on how to build your own workout program. We're going to tell you how to create a workout program just for you that will help allow you to begin where your skill level and skill set is and work your way up. So the first thing is, make sure if you have any physical ailments that you go to a doctor and get approved to work out, because you don't want to be trying to make yourself healthy and end up making yourself more unhealthy or hurting yourself permanently. Now on to how to build it. How I went about training Daniel was, I began with a weight which he could do 10 times, 10 reps, and I had him do an exercise for chest, for one for back, and one for arms, so on. And so what I want you to do is, out of all of the exercises that we've shown you how to do in the first 5 videos, I would like for you to pick out one to include in your workout. And there are many ways to do the workout, but how we're going to do it is, I want you to pick out one, find a weight that you can do 10 of for each one. And you will do that, say, every other day, say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And that way you have a good base to start on. Once that gets easy enough, I want you to work up to doing each one with that weight 20 times. 20 times, which is just 20 reps per exercise. It'll be a very quick workout, but it will work you up. Now once you get to that point and the 20 is easy for you, then what we're going to do is we're going to add another exercise to that part of the body. Say if you're still stuck on 20 with the bench press, but you're doing lat pullovers very easily at 20, then we're going to add a row to that, which will give you more back exercises. And then once you work up to that point with the bench press, we'll add, and the chest exercises, we'll add another exercise to that, and so on and so forth. Then once you can do those 20 times with the particular weight, whatever weight you're happy with doing 20 times, then what we're going to do is we're going to add a set, which is basically 10 would be one set, 20 would be one set. The way you differentiate them is you either change weights or you take a break between the two, and then the next time you're lifting it, it's the second set of so many reps. And we're going to have you work your way up at this point to 2 sets of 10. And then we're going, and with about a 30 to 45 second break between them. Then we're going to have you work, after that becomes easy, we're going to have you do a set of 20 and then maybe a set of 10 after that. And then once that's easy enough, 20 and 20. And we're going to, once you reach that point, we're going to add another set with another break between. And generally, like with Daniel and I, we do 4 sets at this point, and we've actually worked ourselves up to where we do 30 reps each set with no break between them. And if you do it that way, you can also get your heart pumping, and it becomes also a cardio exercise as well as a strength and conditioning exercise. So for now, we want you to begin with a weight that you can do 10 times each exercise. Then we'll work our way up, and in other videos along the way, we will add exercises that you can add to your workout, because you will get bored with the same exercises after a certain amount of months or weeks, whichever, depending on your personality. You'll also get to the point where you begin to plateau, and adding new exercises will help you to get over that plateau and begin adding weight to your weights again, and strength to your strength, and adding more cardio conditioning. So it will benefit you to be able to add exercises later, and then take off other exercises that you're either bored of or just don't seem to be doing anything for you at that point in time. That is the basics on how to build your workout. You start from the ground up, and you work your way up. And right now, Daniel and I, you can do, like, what I want you to do right now is, these are all upper body work exercises. So I want you to do a full upper body, which is 5 of these exercises to start, 3 days a week, skipping a day between. Once you become more advanced, we will teach you other techniques, such as the push-pull legs techniques. We also will be going over leg exercises, so that on your leg days, which will be the days between, you can do your leg exercises and do a workout with them. But this way you now know how to put them together once we give you the tools or the exercises to do so. So just remember, we're with you throughout all of this. If you have questions, just put them in the comments, and I will answer them personally, because I am here to help you. That's why Daniel and I started this YouTube channel, was so we could help people who needed the help to get started on a journey of physical fitness, so they could be happier with themselves, happier with their lives, and even happier with their families. Because when you're in good condition, if you have children, you can enjoy playing with them more. You can go outside and play with them and not get tired and fatigued. Not to mention, if you feel good and you look good, you have a better self-esteem about you when you go to work, when you go to try to get a job, when you meet new people. So we want to help you to be able to do that, because, as I've said before, rich people aren't the only ones who deserve to be in good physical condition. Those of us who are not rich, who can't afford a gym, who can't afford thousands of dollars of equipment, we deserve it too. And I'm here to show you how to get there. So ask me questions in the comments section, and like I said, I will answer you, and will help you right along the way. Until next time, please like, subscribe, comment, and also, if you like the content and you have any friends or family who need this type of video teaching, instruction, please share it with them. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.